October 14th, 2020 on your own. Number 1, evaluate using the distributive property. All right, so our first step, we know how to do this. We are going to circle the number in front of the parentheses, which happens to be 8 here. Now, this number in front of the parentheses, we are going to take that and distribute it or multiply it to each number on the inside of the parentheses. So 8 times 20. All right, I'm going to we are going to have 8 times 20. Now, inside the parentheses, we do have a subtraction symbol. So that subtraction symbol we are going to keep. We are going to bring that down with it. Alrighty, then we have, well, what's the next number it's going to be distributed to? Don't forget to distribute it to the next number. 8 times 6. So we're going to have 8. Like that. There we go. We're going to have 8 times 6. Or 6 times 8. All right, now we can distribute it. So when we have 8 times 20, well, in this case, we know that 8 times 2 is 16. So I would know that 8 times 20 is 160. So then we have 160. We are going to keep that minus. And then 8 times 6, or 6 times 8, is going to be 48. Now we can do 160 minus 48, and you will get 112. And that's going to be our answer. You can circle it if you want it. You can highlight it. That's fine as well. You don't have to, but there is our answer. Easy peasy. It's not too hard once we get the hang of it, so let's keep it up. Let's try the next one. Number 2, evaluate using the distributive property. Alrighty, so we have 3 times the quantity of 5 plus 2 and quantity. So we are going to first of all circle the number in front of those parentheses. Alright, now we are going to take that number and we are going to distribute it or multiply it to each number inside. So the first number that we have is going to be, or the first set we have is going to be 3, and put in our parentheses. 3 times 5. What symbol is in front, in the middle? It's addition, so I'm going to put that in red. So it is plus, and then our next set of parentheses, I'm going to keep that symbol in red for us. I'll keep that one in red too back here. All right, plus, okay, what's the next thing that we're going to distribute it to? Oh, 3 times 2. Yeah, 3 times 2. Alrighty. Now, I know that 3 times 5 is going to be 15. Keep that addition symbol in there. 3 times 2, I know, is 6. I'm going to put that as red. All right, now we have 15 plus 6. Well, I know that's 21. So our answer here is going to, be 21. And that will be the same thing as if you were to do 5 plus 2 and then multiply it by 3. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and then you multiply that by 3. Do you get 21? Yes, you do. Bada bing, bada boom. Great job.